Did you block an IP in Cloudflare and now you can't undo it? You know it's in there somewhere, but every time you look, you just can't find where to unblock it. Don't worry, I've been there. Here's exactly how to unblock that IP in under 60 seconds. We will log into Cloudflare, pick your domain, find the security rule, and delete the block. Let's go. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Go ahead and log in with your email and password. Once you are in, you will see your dashboard with all your domains listed. Now, click on the domain you want to work on. This is the website that has the blocked IP causing the trouble. Just give it a single click and it will open up that domain's dashboard. All right, now go to the Security tab. You will find this in the top navigation bar. It is usually right next to Analytics and Speed. Click on Security. Under Security, find Security Rules. This section is where all your custom rules live, including the one that is blocking that IP address. Give Security Rules a click. Now, here is where you need to look carefully. Scroll through the list to find the rule that blocked the specific IP address. You might have a lot of rules here, so take your time. Look for the one that mentions the IP you are trying to unblock. The rule will usually have a field like IP address and then the number you are looking for. Once you spot it, you are almost done. On that rule, you will see 3 dots on the far right side. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From that menu, select Delete. This will remove the rule entirely. But wait, Cloudflare wants to make sure you really mean it. Click Delete again to confirm. Once you do that, the rule is gone. That IP is now unblocked. Your user or service should be able to access your site again right away. And that is it. You went from being locked out and frustrated to confidently unblocking an IP in under 2 minutes. If this helped, consider subscribing for more quick fixes like this one.